welcome to Audrey's channel. Today we're going to open LockStars. And let's get it close up.
Yes. Good. You have one before, right?
Yeah, it's pink, but I didn't bring it. Still in my old. Let's open it. Sometimes you just have to go to the sides and open it.
Oh, it's an easy piece of cake.
So I will not need any scissors. Flyer. Okay. Here you go, the flyer. Now number 1 key. And then
Series 2.
2.
It's a Series 2.
Oh no, I dropped it. I have to go get it.
So in the meantime, we can take a look at the fire.
I have to move the chair. You guys might hear the chair. What is this? Mustache. Super teeny tiny.
It's easy to close it. What's that?
I don't know what it is. Oh, we got a Frankenstein bunny. Let's open it. The keys does not open the Frankenstein bunny. The keys only open this. And if you close it back, you lost the keys. You can also open it. Look.
Well, let me have a close up.
See? Like that. And there's nothing really to talk to you guys, but I still have to talk to you. So what's this? So the mystery one is Tox Buddy.
So you can put your lock on your
I think she's
backpack.
toxic and she's a buddy, so I just named her Tox Bunny.
What is the color of that one? Yeah, you can check it out. So they don't have a name on it, they just have a number.
What is it? What is this number?
Check it out on the file.
See. This is the big ones. The small ones are on the back. Let's see. It's 2015 245. Like that. Can't believe it's number 1. These are the big ones.
Okay.
I just got this one.
Oh. So
The small one of that one.
So now
is
you have
the
2,
orange
right?
giant eyeball.
Okay, good.
But now I got this one. And we got Tox Bunny.
Have you tried the key and try to lock it and unlock it?
You can't lock it. You can't use the key to lock it. You have to open it. I just used the key to unlock it. Did you see? And then you can put some in. You have to put some. Look. Look, I can put even a lot of things in it. Even I could put the toxic bunny. I named her Tox Bunny in it. It could be all secured in one.
So you won't lose it.
I won't lose the small ones too. I don't know what is that. Don't ask me what is that.
Yeah, you
See?
will.
This could also be your keys. You want that?
Yeah, sure, of course.
Here you go. Look. Okay, so bye guys. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give us a big thumbs up. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram. And we want 1 million subscribers. So press the subscribe button and we'll see you all next time. Goodbye.